cold now.
Really? I don't feel it.
Breeze is picking up.
A little bit. Look at your hands, Papa. Hey, here goes another plane, Gio. Somewhere. Hey, Yati.
Let me see your hands, Aiden.
You don't want to touch nothing.
All right, let's pack up and go home, yeah?
Really?
What time is it?
3:26?
Get home at 4? 4:30?
For what? Oh, we still gotta do his homework. I guess up in the day and sister, I get some stuff. Some cake, some cake, two cakes.
All right, guys, I think I'm gonna cut this video. Come on, Gio, get out of that dirty mud, man. Get out of that. Time to roll. Come here with that dirty nose.
Daddy, Aiden.
Renita, why don't you pay attention to Aiden? Let's go. Aiden way down there on the run while she over here taking selfies. Get your trucks, Gio. Let's pack it up. 2:30, guys. Sun sets at 5. It's 2:30 now. Renita gonna think she's gonna catch him. Dang, man, I used to run this beach from that buoy all the way down to that buoy down there and back. That was probably the best shape I was ever in. I need to get back to that, man. It is on the run. It's on the run. He crashed. Renita trying to get him, her pants falling down. All right, guys, this is gonna be my 4K video. Definitely, I'm gonna just load it up, no editing to this. We'll see how it looks. Blessed to be alive, be at the beach. We had lunch, brought my grandson out, brought my son out. He's laying over there on the sand, so I'm sure he's tired. And that's it, guys. Enjoy life every day, 2021. Let's do everything we can. Come on, Gio! Come on, Gio! Gio! Look at that beautiful, beautiful beach, man. Water. Nothing else like it. Gonna let the video keep on rolling. the boys' footprints. See if I can come down here and catch them. Know where they headed to.